Today we're making the new viral KFC-style Cheetos chicken strips that are crispy and packed with cheesy Hot Cheetos flavor. We're marinating the chicken in a seasoned buttermilk-style marinade, coating it in a crunchy Cheetos crust and serving it with homemade crispy French fries. In a large bowl, add half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well, then add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce for extra heat and flavor. Add your chicken breast cut into strips and make sure every piece is completely coated in the marinade. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate overnight so that the flavors have time to develop. Before coating the chicken, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, mix well, and set aside. Now prepare the crispy Cheetos coating. In a separate bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 tablespoons of crushed hot Cheetos, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together until evenly combined. Take your marinated chicken strips and coat them thoroughly in the seasoned flour mixture. Then dip each flour-coated chicken strip back into the remaining chicken marinade. Finally, coat the chicken again in the crushed hot Cheetos, making sure the entire strip is covered in that bright, crunchy Cheetos coating. Now let's prepare the fries. Cut your potatoes into thin French fry shapes and place them into a pan of water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and salt to taste. Boil the potatoes until they are partially cooked, then drain them well. Heat your oil and fry the potatoes until they're golden and crispy. Once the fries are ready, fry the Cheetos coated chicken strips until they're beautifully golden, crunchy, and fully cooked. Serve the crispy Cheeto chicken strips with your homemade French fries and plenty of creamy mayonnaise for dipping. And there you have it. The crunchy hot Cheetos coating gives this chicken a delicious flavor that makes this homemade fast food recipe seriously addictive. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crispy chicken recipes and homemade fast food, and let me know what you'd like to see next.